What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make up to $3,000 per month using just these. That's right, just your ears, no money, no computer. If you have a phone, I'm gonna show you how to make upwards to $3,000 per month. So you wanna make sure that you don't go nowhere. Now, if this is your first time on the channel and you haven't yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button, click the notification bell next to it. That way you're notified every single time we release a new video that's going to show you how to increase your income, your impact, or your influence. All right, guys, in this video, we're going to break down step by step how you can literally earn up to $3,000 per month with no money, no skill set, and you can pretty much do this from anywhere in the world. Now, I know what you're thinking, and before you leave, stick around to the very end, and I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do this, how you can get started quickly so you can start earning cash from home during your spare time. Now, this may not be your dream job or your dream gig or what you're super passionate about, but this is a quick and easy way to start earning some cash. What I highly suggest is that you take the cash that you earn from this business, you save it, and then invest it into a business that's gonna make you a full-time passive income like Amazon or e-commerce or even real estate. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive into my computer. All right, guys, so we're in my computer right now, and I'm gonna show you 3 different websites that you can use, and I've put these in order from least favorable to the best. So you wanna make sure that you don't go anywhere because you're gonna miss the best website that's gonna earn you the most amount of money. And if you stick to the very end, I'm gonna show you a hack on how you can double the amount of revenue that you're making still from home using just your ears and just your phone. You don't even need a computer. Now, I've searched high and low across YouTube and I have not seen anybody talk about this strategy. So you wanna make sure that you stick around to the end and you do not miss this opportunity. So this website is called GMR Transcription. This is a transcription company where you can literally come to this website, which is www.gmrtranscription.com, and you can go ahead and click on the career tab and come over to the current job openings. And you can literally sign up and apply to become someone who transcribes for them, whether it's audio to text or video to audio or video to text. Depending on the complication, depending on the language and the service, they pay differently. So it's that simple. You can literally go to careers and you can go ahead and apply for which one that you want. Here you can see general transcription or Spanish transcription translators, or you can see certified translators here. Every website's gonna have a different application process. Usually you're gonna apply, you're gonna fill out an application, and then some of them will have a short test, which is very easy. If you fill out that test and you pass that test, then they'll go ahead and start giving you tasks. The more tasks you complete and the better you do, the more tasks they will give you and the more money you can earn. So let's scroll down and see how much you can get paid from GMR Transcript. And you can see all these big companies that recommend GMR. So here you can see, guys, that transcriptionists and translators typically earn between $1,000 to $3,000 per month. Here you can see this right here. So guys, on the low end, an extra $1,000 a month. If you don't have any income or you need some extra additional income, or like I said, you want to get started in a business and you need some extra cash flow, this may not be your dream gig, but if you hustle and you do this for a month hard, you can make upwards to $3,000. Even on the lower end, an extra $1,000 for side work that you can do literally from anywhere at any time using just your phone, you cannot beat. So next, guys, is a website called Scriven. Now you can go to Scriven and you can go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and choose careers. And once you choose careers, it's gonna take you to this page right here. And a quick overview, guys, because a lot of this is self-explanatory. You can go to these websites yourself. You can go ahead and read the different work that they have, the different prices, so on and so forth. But this is a general overview and overlay of how you can get started, about how much you can make. Now it's for you to do your due diligence to see which one's best for you. But here on Scriven.com, you can see, guys, that they're paying between $5 to $25 per hour, and this is in USD. Now, guys, again, to apply, all you gotta do is click apply right here, submit your application, take the online test, and after they approve your test, then you can start earning by the hour. So if you ask me, $25 an hour is very good, especially if you're out of work or you need to generate some quick cash. So here you can see, guys, you can literally get paid via PayPal, and a majority of these transcription services are gonna pay you weekly. So just like a real job, you're literally getting paid every single week. and you're paid via PayPal. So this is great. You're literally getting paid for your services every single week, and there's no limit on how much you can transcribe, and there is no shortage on work, which means the harder you work, the more you're gonna earn. Now, last but definitely not least, my personal favorite, where you're gonna earn a majority of the money and the most accurate and reputable company, is gonna be Revcom. Now, I love Revcom, and I personally use Revcom myself for my transcriptions and my captions for different videos, for different programs, and different things that I'm doing, because they seem to have the quickest turnaround and be the most accurate. So on Revcom, you're gonna scroll down to the bottom, you're gonna hit careers, it's gonna take you to a page like this. And like I said, they are very reputable, guys. They've been featured in the Penny Hoarder, Forbes, Huffington Post, Business Insider, and all these different publications. And this is the one that I personally use for my business. Now, to sign up and become a freelancer for Rev, you just want to fill out your information here and start the application process. It is literally that simple. And as you can see here, guys, they also pay via PayPal every single week. So you're getting a paycheck every single week. Matter of fact, you're getting funds deposited into your PayPal account every single week. And the beautiful thing, again, guys, is there's no shortage in work. So you can literally work as much as you want, so you can earn as much as you want as quick as possible. Here you can see for transcriptionists, people who listen to audio and video and accurately type in what is being said, as well as label speakers. They can range between 30 cents to $1.10 per audio or video minute. Now, for a captioner, you're basically gonna watch a video, accurately type what is being said, creatively convey sounds, and then sync typed audio with video. Here you can see that the range of pay is from 54 cents all the way up to $1.10 per audio or video minute. Now, the beautiful thing, guys, is you can use these free tools like Google Translate. You can literally go to Google Translate and you can go ahead and type in text in English, and it can literally transcribe into any language. So you literally just click on this arrow and you'll see all these different languages, right? So let's just say that I had to translate something into Arabic, right? I have no idea how to write or read or understand Arabic. But if I'm listening to something in English or I'm reading something in English and I type this in, I need to learn Arabic, right? What it's actually gonna do is it's gonna translate it into Arabic. Now, the beautiful thing is you can also click right down here on this button and translate by voice. So let me hit this X. I need to learn Arabic. So there you go, guys. You can literally text to speak and it'll transcribe, or you can also text it as well and it will transcribe. And literally you can do this in any language. And you can also do this in Google Docs. They also have a talk to write feature and pretty much any writing software like Microsoft Word. But Google Translate is free and it's about 90% accurate. It's not 100% accurate, but then again, this is gonna work, and this is a hack that's gonna save you a significant amount of time, especially when translating to different languages. Now, how you're gonna increase the amount of money that you're gonna make is by transcribing to different languages. One of the most popular is English to Spanish or Spanish to English. Now, there's also a ton of popular apps out there that you can literally download, some for free and some that are paid for like $5 or $10, that you can download in the App Store for your phone. Here's a couple right here. You can see Grammarly is one of the most popular. You can see Transcribe, speech to text, text to speech, dictation, voice dictation, Transcribe. You can literally see all these different softwares. A majority of them are free. Some of them are paid, like this one's $4.99. All right, guys, so that's 3 popular websites that you can go to become a transcriptionist or a captioner. Now, again, you don't need any skills. You don't need any money. You don't even need a computer. You can do this from your phone during your spare time from the comfort of your home. And as long as you got 2 ears, you can start earning cash money every single week that will go straight to your PayPal account. Now, if you haven't yet, guys, do me a favor and smash that like button. If you haven't yet, make sure that you're subscribed and click the notification bell next to it. That way you get notified every single time we put out new videos and share cutting edge techniques that are gonna help you increase your income, your impact, and your influence. As promised, I'm gonna show you a hack that's gonna help you double the amount of money that you earn. And I've searched high and low on YouTube. I don't see anybody sharing this strategy. So on top of these 3 websites and the other websites that are out there where you can become a captioner or a transcriptionist, Utilizing this independent freelancer site is going to eliminate the middleman and allow you to earn the most money. So here we are, guys. We're in a website, which is a freelance website that we use called Fiverr. And that's fiverr.com with 2 R's. Now, I simply typed in translate English to Spanish, and if we're just gonna go ahead and use one for example, and here you can see that they're getting $100 for 1,000 words. Now, typically they're gonna charge based off the amount of words that you're gonna transcribe, but remember, using these free softwares and these free tools I showed you like Google Translate, you can literally take the text, you can upload it into Google Translate, hit translate to Spanish, and you can do this immediately. So that means that you're gonna exponentially be able to increase your revenue by taking these gigs, taking these jobs, and transcribing more work. Now, the longer the articles or the more words you transcribe, the more money you make. So you could literally do this in 1 hour, and they're charging $100 for this hour. So you could literally make $100 in an hour. Now you can see there's all these different types of jobs out there. Now, even though a lot of them have high reviews, there are some people that are getting started. Like this guy's got 27 reviews. This guy has 47 reviews. This guy's just getting started with 3 reviews. So what I recommend when getting started on Fiverr is focusing on your review count. Focus on serving and have a low price job. That way people are going to go ahead and take your service because you're brand new and you don't have a bunch of reviews. So if you have a great price and you have good reviews, that's gonna help you get a bunch of work. Once you get a bunch of work, you can incrementally increase your price. That's a strategy to get started with Fiverr and get your first couple gigs. All right, there you guys have it. 3 different websites that you can utilize to earn upwards of $3,000 per month from the comfort of your home during your spare time with just one of these or a computer. If you love videos like this where we show you how to create passive income and make money from home or while traveling around the world like I do, then make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and click that notification bell. That way you get notified every single time we drop videos like this. If you want to learn more about how I generate a full-time income online during my spare time, check out my free training at www.freefbatraining.com. There'll be a link down below, or check out the AMZ formula. We literally show you how to start an Amazon business or grow an Amazon business, which I believe is the best business to start right now. If you guys want to stay connected, make sure that you're following me on Instagram at @officialjoshuacrisp. Shoot me a DM, let's connect, and I'll see you guys in the next video.